What's going on over here?
Feeding time at the zoo. Yum, yum, yum. You You're doing good, buddy. Doing good. Oh.
Yummy. That looks good. What do you think, Brennan? Mmm. Yummy.
Look at him helping me. You helping mommy? Okay, good boy. Okay, ready? More feeding. Okay,
Mmm.
You just want to miss out.
Mmm.
Thank you.
What do you think about that, Brennan?
Okay, careful. It's like, let me do it. Oh. Not bad for our third try.
Is it good, Brennan?
One more. Come on, big one. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
yeah, he was ready for that one.
You're a mess. It's good, right? Oh. There he is under all that food.
Was it good, Brennan?
He's banging for more.
He loves it.
Oh, goodness. Oh. Golly. Okay.
Oh, he's
Calm
hungry.
down, buddy. You better give me that food. Get him helping me. Okay, you don't want to, like, put that down your throat. Let's post that for,
He's a hungry guy.
Golly.
Say goodbye, Brennan.
Bye-bye. Oh, good boy.
Loves it.
You're a mess.
Mmm.
Golly. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, give him more.
Problem is we've run out. Okay, I can't get it in when you're trying to help. Oh.
Is it pretty good, Brennan? He wants more.
Okay, I'll have to make more. That's not even saying anything. Okay.
And that's a wrap.